Hi, this is Tripti David, Chief Operating Officer at Equity Master. Every major small cap story in India begins long before the price moves. Not on television, not in WhatsApp groups, not in brokerage research reports, but usually when most investors are looking the other way, it begins quietly inside boardrooms most investors will never enter. Over the last few months, a strange pattern has emerged inside a small cluster of companies. A pattern that remains ignored and hidden in regulatory filings that most people never bother to read. A pattern that has historically appeared right before some of India's most powerful wealth creation phases. And it is appearing even now as we speak. Whenever we saw this kind of activity in small caps, the results were extraordinary. Lincoln Pharma jumped 153% in 2 years. Kowai Medical shot up 456% in 4 years, 6 months. Kilburn Engineering soared 130% in 10 months. Aventel surged 257% in 3 years. Mrs. Bector's delivered 562% in just 2 years, 3 months. In each of these stories, the insider acted first, way before the markets caught up. In fact, the stock on Gujarat-based company was up an unbelievable 2,398% in 3 years, 7 months. And right now, a similar pattern is emerging in some companies. That's why this conversation couldn't wait. On Monday, 19th Jan at 5 p.m. sharp, join us for Richa Agarwal's exclusive summit Promoter Wealth Signal. Because for the first time in 15 years, Equity Master's leading small cap analyst will decode a powerful signal that most investors overlook. This could be one of the most important conversations you will have this year. And I guarantee you it will change the way you look at the markets. Click on the link in the description below to sign up for Promoter Wealth Signal.